Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share live location in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share live location in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to share the live location on WhatsApp. If that person is not on this list guys, you can see the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen on a green box. Tap on there, and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be able to search for the person to whom you want to send your live location. Open the chat box like this. Now after opening the chat box of that person, you can see over here at the bottom of the screen there is a message bar. Whichever we type over here, that will appear over here, and just beside that, or at the right side of that message bar, you can see there is an attachment icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on that attachment icon, and over here you can see the location option available for us just beside the audio. Tap on location, and over here guys, if you don't land on this page directly, then you will be required to accept some permissions which WhatsApp needs from your phone in order to share the location. And that being said guys, you can see after landing over here there is the share live location option available for us. Tap on share live location and tap on continue. And with that being done guys, you can choose the duration to which you want to send your live location, and after that you can add a comment over here saying anything you want over here, like I'm here, and tap on the airplane icon, and your live location will be shared on WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to share live location in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.